السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the 19th part of our lesson series in Hadith, the saying of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to use the Arabic verb ليتبع to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. فعل أمر commandment. فعل أمر commandment. We are going to learn how to use the Arabic verb ليتبع to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. The question is, how do we change the verb ليتبع to suit the following pronouns? ليتبع simply means he should follow. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb ليتبع to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb ليتبع to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach alifun. So the verb ليتبع will now become لأتبع, which means I should follow. Ithnan, number two. Nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb ليتبع to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach nunun. So the verb ليتبع will now become لنتبع, which means we should follow. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb ليتبع to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach lamun and yaun. Then we borrow alif. Then we go and borrow alif. So the vowel sound of the third letter determines the kind of vowel sound we are going to read alifun with. Alifun being the first letter, ta'un being the second letter, and ba'un is the third letter. Ba'un is taking fataha. So we are going to read alifun with kasra because kasra is the opposite of fataha. So the verb ليتبع will now become itiba. Itiba, we read the borrowed alif with kasra just because the third letter is taking fataha. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Arba'a, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb ليتبع to suit anti? The same principle is applicable. However, we are going to attach yaun to the last letter. Remember, once yaun is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that yaun is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb ليتبع will now become itiba'i. Itiba'i, which means follow, talking to a single female person or commanding a single female person to follow. Khamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb ليتبع to suit here? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. So the verb ليتبع will now become لتتبع, which means she should follow. Remember, we use yaun to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two. Plurality in Arabic starts from two upward, start from three upward, unlike English where it starts from two upward. I repeat, a plurality in Arabic starts from three upward, unlike English where it starts from two upward. Then we talk about muzakkar. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb itibah can only be used to command a single male person to follow. So if they are two, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter. Then you give fataha to the letter before it. So the verb itiba will now become itiba'a, which means you should both follow. Talking to two male persons. So if they are more than two, all you need to do is to attach wawun to the last letter of the verb itiba. Remember, once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma, as we know that wawun is the mother of dhamma in Arabic. So the verb itiba will now become itiba'u, which means you should all follow, talking to a group of male persons. Then we talk about mu'annas. Mu'annathun, feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the verb itiba'i can only be used to command a single female person to follow. So if they are two, use the same form of the verb itiba'ah, which means you should both follow. So if they are more than two, you go and replace ya'un in itiba'i with nunun carrying fataha. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb itiba'i will now become itiba'ana, which means you should all follow, commanding a group of female persons. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Ma'as salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.